In the District of Columbia, an individual's first $10,000 in income is taxed at a rate of 4%. Income tax between $10,000 and $40,000 is taxed at 6%. And income over $40,000 is taxed at 8.5%. Express the amount of tax T in dollars as a function of X, of income X. So we know that we're expressing T as a function of X, which means that our X is what we input to get our output, which also determines this is our output. And now to the equations. The first equation is obviously T of X, because this is our output, equals 4% or 0.04 times our input, which is X. And this is our first equation. This is the equation you would use to figure out how much of your income is being taxed if you earn $10,000 of income or less. Now the next equation also begins with T of X, as does the next one, because it is our input, or output for all of them, sorry. Except this time, we're doing the bracket for $10,000 to $40,000, which means the tax rate is 6%, or 0.06, times our input, which is X. And then now this determines how much of your income is being taxed at this tax bracket in the District of Columbia. And for the last one, T of X is the output, times 8.5%, which is 0.85, times the input, which is X. And to prove this, we'll plug in the lowest rate you can have, $40,000, into the input, 40,000. And for this, all you have to do was multiply these two numbers, 0.085 times the income of $40,000, and you get the amount of $3,400. Now this $3,400 is how much of this income you are losing as tax.